These puppies are 4 days old. They've been weighed every day since they were born. The first day we do twice a day, first couple days. Now we're just doing once a day because it looks like they're growing. And I've got my notes right here. All this the scratchy stuff is, I can read it. Maybe other people can. So basically what I'm going to be doing is, this is our daily routine where I take all the puppies, look them over, I weigh them, and then today I'm going to have an extra step, which is changing their color ID. So I'm going to go one each puppy by one. And you'll see not maybe on the ground next to me. I let her check out what I'm doing. So I'm going to weigh the puppy and then log how much it weighs. 1 pound, 0.8 ounces. Okay, and that's a gain of 3 ounces since yesterday. So my extra, basically I look over the puppy, make sure the nose is clear, make sure the rear is clear, because I definitely don't want to miss anything. Easy. Don't want to miss anything. Sorry, I have to hold the puppy really close to me. This one's a little vocal. Stop. It's okay. This one's a little vocal. So I had to hold it really close to me to get the color out. So I just use cross-stitching thread, and it's thick enough so it doesn't cause any problems. But it does need to get changed every couple days, or else it gets too tight as they grow. So, and I make it loose enough so that it can't slip over the foot or over the leg, but not so tight that it restricts them in any way. So you go. See? There we go. So this is purple. I have her written down there. And she looks good. Cute little puppy. She's clean. She's fat. Everything looks good. And I put her off in a lovely place. Underneath the light, and I grab it and walk. So people use different things to ID the puppies. There are collars that you can buy that are like Velcro, or there are other materials. 1 pound, 4 ounces, and that's pink. That's a gain of 4 ounces since yesterday. So they're gaining really fast, which is nice. Let me try putting this one down. Yeah, this one's a little bit less vocal than the other one. Easy. Whew. I have a light pink thread for this. Under that, the heat lamp, it's hard to tell the difference between pink and red, so I'm using a lighter color pink. So I can just look in and see who's who. There were only 4, so I mean, and with this breed, they usually all have different markings, but it just makes it easier for everyone. If they have the color ID, if there's something going on with the one, the kids can say, hey, this one blue looks such and such, you know? Yeah. Cute puppy. It looks good. Basically, I'm looking just to make sure they're fat and they look good. There's nothing going on. They're staying clean. some mail. He gained like another 3 ounces since yesterday. This is another one, super wiggly. Okay, stop. He's a mover. Wait, what color was that? Yeah, it was red. Yeah, I thought it was the boy. It's the big female. Yeah, I switched her. I put it in the wrong. I put the weight in the wrong place. It's okay. So we take a look. So at this age, they start to sometimes get like diarrhea and stuff, just because the milk has come in. Since they're so fat, it's obvious the milk's come in. That's when they can start to have some problems. So we just are pretty diligent with the weight, making sure we just keep tracking those and look at them really closely. So this is blue. This one's gained the most weight. It gained a whole 4 ounces. So that's good. Stop. Oh my gosh. We're just smoking. Now this is a little bit loose. So what happens is when it's too loose, you can see how he's got kind of a line on his neck. When it gets too loose and it's down, the skin comes over it. So you just have to watch it really closely and move it every day. Alright, well that's it. Cute puppies. So we'll just do this tomorrow. We probably won't do the collars tomorrow. We'll wait a couple days on that. But we take him out and handle him every day and get him used to it. See, he's relaxed now. You see him sigh. See, now he's relaxed. What a sweet pup. He's gonna go to sleep now. He's asleep. Alright, well thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it interesting. I sure do. I love puppies. Bye bye.